travel. It's more than just a change of scenery. It's an experience. It's a chance to learn, grow, and discover. The world is full of amazing places. Each one offers something unique. Are you ready? Adventure awaits those with an open mind and a sense of wonder. Whether you dream of ancient ruins or bustling markets, travel enriches us. It broadens our perspectives. It introduces us to new cultures and people. But before you embark on your journey, there's an important step. Imagine this. You're standing at the foot of the Eiffel Tower. You're finally there, after months of dreaming. But wait, did you remember the adapter for your camera? Preparation is key to avoiding these scenarios. It ensures you can savor every moment. Start with research. Delve into your destination. What are the must-see sites? Are there local customs to be aware of? Next, plan your itinerary. Don't overpack your schedule. Leave room for spontaneous detours. Then comes the packing. Pack light but smart. Essentials include comfortable shoes, weather-appropriate clothing, and necessary medications. Don't forget a first aid kit for minor mishaps. Finally, remember that flexibility is key. Even with the best laid plans, things can change. Embrace the unexpected. It often leads to the most memorable travel stories. Now that we've covered the importance of preparation, let's dive into the specifics. Every journey begins with a single decision. Where to go? The world is vast. Options are endless. Historical wonders of Europe or vibrant cultures of Asia. Chase those travel dreams. Let your passions guide you. Consider your interests. Think about your budget. The destination is just the beginning. Immerse yourself in the local culture.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.
After choosing your destination, it's time to find the perfect home away from home. Your accommodation can make or break your trip. Luckily, there's an abundance of options to suit every taste and budget. From cozy hostels to luxurious hotels, the choices can seem overwhelming. Start by considering your priorities. Do you value social interaction and affordability? A hostel might be a great option. Prefer privacy and extra amenities? A hotel could be a better fit. Don't forget about alternative accommodations. Websites like Airbnb and VRBO offer unique stays. Rent an apartment for a local experience or stay in a charming guest house for a more intimate setting. When booking, read reviews carefully. Look for accommodations with positive feedback on cleanliness, location and service. Pay attention to the details. Does the accommodation offer free Wi-Fi? Is breakfast included? These small things can make a big difference in your overall experience. Section 3. Planning your itinerary. Less is more. With your destination and accommodation secured, it's time for the exciting part, planning your itinerary. But remember, less is more. Avoid cramming too much into each day. List must-see attractions and prioritize them. Allow ample time for each experience. Consider a city pass for savings and skipping lines. Use public transportation to save money and experience local culture. Embrace the unknown and allow yourself to get lost in the beauty of your surroundings. Section 1. Packing light, traveling far, packing. It's the art of fitting your life into a suitcase, or even better, a carry-on. Remember, less is more. You'll thank yourself when you're navigating cobblestone streets or hopping on and off trains. Start with a list. Lay out everything you think you need. Then cut it in half. Trust me, you can do it. Choose versatile clothing items. Think neutral colors that can be mixed and matched. Pack for layering, especially if you're traveling to destinations with unpredictable weather. Rolling your clothes instead of folding can save space and prevent wrinkles. Use packing cubes to compartmentalize. Keep your suitcase organized and make finding things a breeze. And remember, they have laundry facilities around the world. You don't need a different outfit for every day. Section 2. Essential gear for every explorer. Now let's talk essentials. These are the items that will elevate your travel experience. First up, a good pair of walking shoes. Comfort is key. Choose shoes that are broken in and suitable for various terrains. Next, a reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated while reducing plastic waste. Pack a universal adapter. Keep your electronics charged no matter where you're in the world. A first aid kit is a must. Pack essentials like bandages, pain relievers and motion sickness medication. Don't forget a small flashlight. It comes in handy for navigating dark streets or finding your way around unfamiliar accommodations. And of course, your camera. Capture those unforgettable moments and create lasting memories. Traveling can take a toll on your health if you're not careful, but fear not. A few simple precautions can make a world of difference. First and foremost, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, especially in hot climates. Pack healthy snacks. Avoid getting hangry and making impulsive food choices. Nuts, granola bars and fruit are great options. Be mindful of what you eat. Try local cuisines, but exercise caution when it comes to street food. If you have any dietary restrictions, research restaurants in advance or pack some of your own snacks. And lastly, don't forget your hand sanitizer. Keep those germs at bay, especially before meals and after using public transportation. Stepping off the plane, the air buzzes with unfamiliar sounds, the scent of spices or a salty ocean breeze. You're in a new world. Navigating unfamiliar territory can be exhilarating. Arm yourself with a good map. Yes, even in the age of smartphones, don't hesitate to ask for directions. Locals are often the best source of information. Remember, getting lost is part of the adventure. Ditch the rental car and embrace public transportation. It's not just about saving money, it's about immersing yourself in the local culture. Hop on a bus and rub shoulders with locals. Decipher a subway map, feeling like a true urban explorer. Trains, trams and buses offer a unique perspective on a city. They allow you to observe daily life, soak in the sights and sounds, and even catch a glimpse of hidden neighborhoods you might have otherwise missed. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to travel, reducing your carbon footprint. Before you embark on your public transportation adventure, research the local system. Purchase a travel pass for cost-effectiveness and convenience. Familiarize yourself with routes and schedules. Be aware of peak hours to avoid crowds. And remember, a little patience goes a long way. Delays can happen, but they often lead to unexpected conversations or moments of people-watching gold. Time is precious, especially when you're exploring a new destination. Every moment is an opportunity for discovery and creating lasting memories. Embrace slow travel. Choose quality over quantity. Savor each experience instead of rushing. Watch the sunrise over a historic landmark. Engage with the local culture. Attend a performance or try a cooking class. Document your journey in a travel journal. Safety first. It's paramount, especially when you're exploring unfamiliar territory. While the world is full of wonderful people, a little caution goes a long way. Remember, your safety is your responsibility. Start by researching common scams in your destination. Knowledge is power. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas. Keep your valuables close. Use a money belt or a secure crossbody bag. Don't flash large amounts of cash. Be discreet when using ATMs. If something feels off, trust your instincts. Remove yourself from the situation. It's better to be safe than sorry. Share your itinerary with a friend or family member back home. Check in regularly. This allows someone to track your whereabouts and provides an extra layer of security. Remember, travel should be fun and enriching. A few simple precautions can ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Emergencies happen. Even the most well-planned trips can encounter unexpected bumps in the road. But don't panic. Staying calm and prepared is key to navigating these situations with grace. Carry a copy of your passport and important documents separately from your originals. Store them in a secure location, like your accommodation safe. Program emergency numbers into your phone. This includes local authorities, your embassy or consulate, and your insurance provider. Familiarize yourself with your accommodation's emergency procedures. Know the evacuation routes and assembly points. In case of a medical emergency, seek assistance from qualified medical professionals. Travel insurance is your safety net. It provides financial protection in case of unexpected events like medical emergencies, lost luggage, or trip cancellations. Invest in a comprehensive travel insurance plan that suits your needs. Remember, being prepared for emergencies is not about expecting the worst. It's about traveling responsibly and ensuring peace of mind. Budgeting, making your travel dreams affordable. Travel doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and savvy budgeting, you can make your travel dreams a reality without emptying your savings account. Start by setting a realistic budget. Determine how much you can comfortably spend on your trip. Factor in all expenses, including flights, accommodation, transportation, food, activities, and souvenirs. Research average costs in your destination to get a better idea of how much to allocate for each category. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons. You'll often find lower prices on flights and accommodations during these periods, which are just before and after the peak tourist season. Be flexible with your travel dates. Sometimes shifting your trip by a few days can result in significant savings. Stretching your dollar further. Once you have a budget in place, look for ways to stretch your dollar further. Embrace budget-friendly accommodation options. Hostels, guest houses, and Airbnb rentals can be significantly cheaper than traditional hotels. Take advantage of free activities. Many cities offer free walking tours, museum days, and outdoor concerts. Explore local markets for affordable and authentic souvenirs. Eat like a local. Skip the tourist traps and dine at local eateries for a taste of authentic cuisine without the inflated prices. Pack a reusable water bottle and snacks to avoid buying overpriced drinks and treats on the go. Walk or use public transportation whenever possible. It's not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to experience the city like a local. While it's important to be mindful of your budget, remember that the true value of travel extends far beyond monetary costs. Travel is an investment in yourself, in your personal growth, and in your understanding of the world. It's an opportunity to step outside your comfort zone, to challenge your perspectives, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. The experiences you gain, the people you meet, and the lessons you learn while traveling are priceless. So, as you plan your next adventure, remember that it's not just about ticking off destinations on a bucket list. It's about embracing the journey, the unexpected detours, and the transformative power of exploring new horizons. Travel is a gift. It's a gift you give yourself. It's a chance to break free from the ordinary, to discover new passions, and to return home with a renewed sense of wonder. So what are you waiting for? The world is waiting to be explored. Pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on an adventure that will enrich your life in countless ways. Safe travels, and may your journeys be filled with unforgettable moments. We've covered a lot of ground, from packing your suitcase to navigating foreign lands. But the true magic of travel, that's harder to pack. It's the way a new place seeps into your soul, changing your perspective subtly, like the tide reshaping the shore. Remember that first bite of pasta in Rome, the Colosseum's grandeur at sunset, or the kindness of strangers in a bustling Marrakesh marketplace? These moments, big and small, weave themselves into your story. Travel challenges us. It forces us out of our comfort zones, makes us more adaptable, more resourceful. We learn to navigate not just maps, but also cultural differences, language barriers, and unexpected situations. And in doing so, we discover a strength and resilience we never knew we possessed. So as you stand on the cusp of your next adventure, remember this. The world is vast and brimming with possibilities. Don't just dream of far-off lands, experience them. Let the thrill of the unknown be your compass. Embrace the unexpected detours, the chance encounters, the moments that take your breath away. These are the experiences that shape us, that make us more compassionate, more understanding, more alive. The world is waiting to be explored, one adventure at a time. So pack your bags, lace up your walking shoes, and step boldly into the unknown. Your journey starts now. Safe travels, and may your adventures be filled with wonder.